Dictation of Sir Kailash Chandra, Advanced Phrenology. So we ready? One, two, three, start. Have not been certain provisions, specific provisions. There is no provisions. Great responsibility. We would not like. Above all, we would be. Seems to be. There seems to be. Seems to have been. Would not be able to. They will be made in this country earlier than the good fortune, misfortune, President of India, public opinion, in accordance with the piece of legislation of their own, it should have been industrial workers come into being, came into being. We have not done, not being able to, which have not, cannot be said as they were. If it was, it has not been. Whenever there is legislative measures, labor relations, it is a matter of sugarcane, sugar industry, textile industries has not yet been water supply as a matter of course. On previous occasions, we are aware that the which have to be you will be fined from the government whenever there is what are known all the same as they have done ought to have been far better, far being taken, sorry, are being taken very great importance. Will remember that the as well we as will be seen, we realize could not be done in the history of those who were in this way might not have as long as to my own in many places, in certain places. This is the case agricultural production, industrial production for a long time. To say a few words, multi-purpose point of view, from the point of view, points of view, as it has been, I think there is, we should know, we should like to know that they should be, they should have, will not be there, those who are, those who have been, is not being given in his own that they have been chief secretary, additional secretary, joint secretary, general secretary, deputy secretary, under secretary, private secretary, estimates committee, public accounts committee is taken up, are taken up, will be taken up in charge of the my colleagues on behalf of the government for many years from some quarters as was who would be which would be head of the department, head of the government before the country, before the world. General elections, by election. I am glad to know if there are no, it was said that each and every in response to the in agreement with the commerce and industry All of a sudden, that being so, less than the, much less than the, up to the mark, as is being done. In the meantime, budget speech, budget proposals, budget estimates, let us consider, should consider the and the like other than courts of law during the course of the during the course of the we shall not be able to come into force came into force certain other things. I would like to emphasize middle class mixed economy. It is essential that the from year to year per annum has stated one third, two thirds, unless there is Western countries this morning to a considerable extent. Ministry of Railways, Railway Administration, Agricultural Minister, Education Minister, Ministry of Defense, Ministry of Education, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, All India Ratio, Union Public Service Commission, Delhi Transport Authority, Ministry of External Affairs, Railway Ministry, Agricultural Ministry, Agriculture Ministry, Home Ministry, Finance Ministry, Education Ministry, Railway Inquiry Committee. Thank you.